What's going on YouTube? This is JabberTech. Today we're taking a look at the case lineup for your Google Pixel 4 XL from a company called Nimbus9. If you haven't heard of Nimbus9, you really got to go check them out. You really have to pick one of these cases up for yourself. They have metal buttons, which in hand feels absolutely awesome. I really love this Phantom 2 style case with that hexa pattern and just the overall feel. A special shout out to the Nimbus9 crew for sending these out for review. But let's go ahead, unbox them, and check them out together. The first case lineup that we're going to take a look at is the Phantom 2, but if you're a road warrior, if you're in your car every single day, stick around and check out the Cirrus 2 unboxing as well. But I'm starting with the Phantom 2 because this one is pretty much an everyday case for everybody. A great in-hand feel thanks to those metal buttons. That hexa pattern is going to help spread that shock absorption if you happen to drop it. You get a lifetime warranty from these guys as well, and you do have that military standard protection, so you are covered against drops and shocks. Real sense buttons, those are those metallic buttons I keep talking about because they are awesome. I think every case should have metal buttons. That's just my opinion. You do have a raised edge, wireless charging compatible of course. And what's really awesome about the Nimbus9 crew, for every purchase of a case, they're going to donate a meal to an orphan in need, so they're definitely giving back to the community, giving back to the world, so I give them a huge shout out for that. But let's go ahead and unbox it and check it out together. This is going to be the blue one, which is really my favorite. I really like this blue color, and I can't wait to see how it looks on the white Pixel 4. This is the clear one. Let's just take that one out as well. And then this one is the smoky flavor. We all like a little smoky flavor, so that's the smoke one. So just take a look. These are the three colors. Whichever one you choose, I bet you're going to be really happy. On the inside, you can see you have that hexa pattern, and you can actually feel it with your fingernails, and that's really going to help spread that shock if you happen to drop it. But you also do have corner protection and edge protection in there as well. Just take a look at the inside of the case. You're definitely well protected, and you get these metallic buttons. I really like the color scheme. I like that red. But let's just go ahead and install the phone. Super simple. And this really gives you a nice snug fit on the case. Taking a look at the front lip protection. Here's your bird's eye view of the front lip protection. A generous amount for a slim, form-fitting case. Really a nice amount of protection if you want to keep your phone a little bit slim in your pocket. Here are these metallized buttons which feel really nice in hand and give you a nice feedback. They're not mushy and they're not hard at all. Just the right amount of feedback, and they look super cool as well. You kind of get to see the skeleton of the skin. You can see that on the side. On the bottom, your cutouts are perfect, a little oversized for your third-party cables. And you can see that matte finish rail of the Pixel 4, which I think looks super cool. On the back, this is your smoky with the white Pixel 4. You get a little accent color right around the camera bump there, and your camera is well protected. Just take a look at that camera protection there. Really a nice form-fitting slim case. There's a little G. So really a nice case. I definitely like the way this feels in hand. I think it's a really nice case. Next one we're going to take a look at is the clear, and if you really want to show the beauty of your Google Pixel 4 XL, the clear is the way to go. Just take a look at this. You can just see that hexa pattern, giving your Google Pixel 4 just a little bit of texture there. You can see the color of your phone. You get the little accent color around the camera. You see the little G there, and then the Nimbus9 logo on the bottom. Really a nice choice. You get to see that hexa pattern on the back of your phone as well. And then with the matte black rails, you can see it through, and I think this gives a nice contrast. No matter which color you get, this clear one should definitely be on your phone if you want to showcase your Google Pixel 4 or your Google Pixel 4 XL. The metallic buttons are awesome as well. Really a nice feeling button, and they've improved them from other generations. They made them just a little bit thicker. I actually like that. Gives you a little bit more feeling in hand. But I think this is super cool because you do see these matte black rails of the Pixel 4, and then you actually see the color. So I think this is the best color to pick. Let me know what you guys think. But my favorite overall has always been the blue one, just because I like to switch it up. I like to add a little bit of color, and the blue one definitely will do that. It'll give you just a little bit of a different look. No matter which color you get, again, it's going to look super cool if you got that peachy orange, the black, or the white that I have here. Here's a little accent color around the camera, same protection, and the blue one, in my opinion, just looks really cool. You still see that hexa pattern, the little G, and the Nimbus9 logo, and of course, you see those matte black rails of the Pixel 4 through this case. Really an awesome looking case, and the buttons are silver, so it just changes up a little bit from the black. You get those silver buttons right over there. This is the blue one. What do you think about the blue versus the smoke versus the clear? I think I'm keeping this blue one on, but I like to know your opinion. Next, if you're a road warrior, what you want to do is probably pick up the Phantom 2 and then pick up the Cirrus 2 for when you're in the car. Switch them around, do whatever you need to do, because the Cirrus 2 is mount ready, so that means when you have your magnet in your car, all you have to do is jump in and plop this on. Looking at the back of the box, there it is again, mount ready. You still have that military standard for drop protection. Real Sense metallic buttons, awesome. Ridge Tech is that shock absorbent inner ridge for improved drop protection. We always need more drop protection. Wireless charging compatible is not an issue with this case as well. So let's just go ahead and take a look at this black one and show you what it's all about. There's the Nimbus 9 logo on the bottom. Those metallic red buttons scream premium. Really a nice feel. Everyone who sees these Phantom 2 cases and Cirrus 2 cases from Nimbus 9 always comments on these buttons. They just look really, really nice. On the inside, this is your metal plate. So this is what I mean when you're in the car. Just sticks right to it. No issues whatsoever. And it's really pretty strong. There's your military standard drop protection stamp of approval. Designed by Nimbus 9, Boston, USA. Really a nice case. Now this is a two-part case, but you'd never have to really take it apart. This is for that extra Ridge Tech protection for shock absorption. The Cirrus 2 will come in this black, it'll come in this gray, or it'll come in the red. So let me just show you the black one, show you what it's all about. Installation, really, really simple. This is your bird's eye view, 360 bird's eye view, and it's giving you a nice amount of lip protection here. And of course, turning the phone around, you get to see these beautiful red metallic buttons. Really screams premium and feel nice in the hand. Trust me, I can't keep saying that enough because it's true. You really have to go check one of these out for yourself and see what I'm talking about. You get to see a little accent color of your phone right through there. Little Nimbus 9 logo. And of course, when you're in the car, sticks on with no issues whatsoever. Get your navigation going, get your tunes going, and just keep driving. Whether you're in landscape or you're in portrait, you're going to be just fine. No issues with this at all. And I'm just going to show you the other colors really quickly. This is what the gray one will look like. And again, it's just a different color, but the protection is still the same, still on point. Camera protection definitely on point. And the buttons, take a look at those buttons. They're now black metallic. Super, super awesome. Definitely a great color choice. And then this is my favorite color, maybe because my car is red, but I really like the red color. Same awesome protection. There's your camera protection right over there. Black buttons, super, super awesome. Again, awesome protection on the front as well. Cutouts are all perfect, just as you'd expect from a premium case. Little color accent on the bottom, black and red. Definitely an awesome case. Let me know what you guys think about these cases from Nimbus 9 for your Google Pixel 4 and Pixel 4 XL. Are you more of a road warrior and need this metallic goodness? Or are you more of a Phantom 2 type of person and just want to show off the beauty of your phone? I recommend you get both. The Cirrus 2 for those times that you're road tripping with your friends, when you're that road warrior commuting every day to work, and when you're going out in the town, pick up the Phantom 2 lineup so you can really show everyone the beauty of your Pixel 4. And you can also do something cool if you get two of these. You can actually swap out the metallic buttons like I did here and create your own style. Let me know what you guys think about the black buttons versus the red on my white Google Pixel 4 XL. I really appreciate you guys watching. Thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys next time.